coaching thought for the day. I am in my last week of school before summer break, woohoo! And one thing that I thought I would share is whenever I schedule meetings with teachers, I schedule my meetings through Google Calendar. What I really like about Google Calendar meetings this time of year especially is that as teachers are completing their professional development, paperwork and things for things that they did during the year, they can simply search in their Google Calendar for my name, and then they just easily have access to every meeting that we had that year, and then they can log it for their professional development. I highly recommend doing that and just making it so much easier on yourself and teachers when it's time for the end of the year evaluations.